All right, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House of Nails. Thank y'all so very much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every last one of you, and when I say that, I mean it, and when I mean it, I say it. I really do. Thank y'all so very much for y'all prayers and y'all concerns. Thank y'all so very much for y'all kind words. With that being said, look at here, I'm gonna go in and do some nails today, and these are the products. Well, I'm not gonna show the products, everything that I'm gonna go in and use today, but I will show you the color of acrylic, because I have no idea, for real, girl. I ain't gonna lie to you, sis. I'm going in freestyling these nails and don't have a clue of what I'm going to do, okay? But this is going to be the color choice that I go in using today. I'm also going to go in using this Melody Susie drill. Melody Susie, I must say, has some great customer service, girl. Because look here, when I did that video, now I didn't even send them the video, okay? They came back, girl. They must have watched my video. Girl, so yeah, so she reached out to me and she apologized. And they did let me know that the scratches that was on the box came from transportation due to the defective packaging of their first batch of products. But they guaranteed that, you know, if they ever ship out anything, you wouldn't have this problem. So I just want me to let y'all know that it did come from, you know, transportation of the drill. So they didn't have to replace the handpiece, because like I say, the handpiece was brand new. They did go ahead and replace this here box. Thank you so very much, Melody Susie, for doing that. I really appreciate that. So just keep in mind, y'all go over there and purchase some Melody Susie, baby. They're gonna be on it. They don't play. All right, they're gonna be all on it. They're gonna get you all the way together. All right, so this will be the drill that I'm gonna go in using today. Okay, all right, so yeah, let me go ahead and get all prepared. This will be the brush that I'm gonna go in using today, girl, shut up. Today, look here, if I don't link everything down in the description bar below, I'm gonna try and put it across the screen, but hopefully I can link everything down in the description bar below. Okay, so let me go ahead and try and get this little funky camera together and get her to stop blurring out on me, because I really don't know what is going on. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. And please excuse my nails. I know they're busted and disgusting and probably can't even be trusted right about now, but girl, don't worry about it, because I'm gonna get them together. I promise you I am. All right, so I'm not gonna do it in this video because I got a client. But yeah, anyway, girl, go and get you something to eat on, drink on, and sit down and watch my little video. You know what, matter of fact, just tell me about your day. I want to hear it all, girl. I want to hear it all from the time you woke up, girl, to right now. Tell me what happened. Go ahead. Alright, y'all, so what I decided to do, I'm going to go in using a whole nother color. I know I showed y'all a lavender color in the beginning, but what happened was I caught myself trying to use that color, girl. I couldn't get that color to stop marbling on me to save my life. So I said I'm going to just go in with a whole nother other color and a whole nother other design. So y'all just be patient and work with me. Like I say, this is a freestyle design, so work with me, alright? Alright, I went ahead and added clear acrylic to the first finger here and the ring finger, okay?
Bye.